Hey everyone! If you want to learn how to use Inkscape in 2026 from absolute beginner level, this is the full guide. I'll show you step by step how to start designing quickly and easily. First, open Inkscape and download it from the official website. It is completely free and works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Next, install the software and open it on your computer. This gives you a blank canvas to begin your design work. Now create a new document. This opens a fresh workspace where you can start designing from scratch. After that, take a look at the interface. Tools are on the left, settings on the top, and layers on the right side. Next, use basic shape tools like rectangle, circle, and star. Most designs start with simple shapes like these. Now select objects and try moving, resizing, and rotating them. This helps you arrange your design properly. After that, use the text tool to add text to your design. You can create logos, posters, or banners easily. Next, change fill colors and stroke styles to improve your design. This makes your work look more professional. Finally, export your design as PNG, SVG, or PDF. This is how you save and share your final work. So yeah, that's how you use Inkscape step by step in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and you can start creating professional vector designs easily. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more design tutorials for beginners.